Good morning, everybody. It is July 19th, and I'm up here with Kevin. Woo-hoo! In your front yard. He's shaking his head in case you're wondering why I was giggling. And what we're going to do today is harvest the shallots and maybe the garlic. I'm not sure exactly what he has in mind, but whatever he says, I'm all excited. I'll turn this around and show you. He's going to put it on time lapse. He'll have his own video too. There we go. He's walking with his bucket. There's the time lapse. This is the row of shallots. Believe it or not, there are some under here. It's going to be touch and go trying to find them in the weeds. And then over here is our garlic. So we'll see what we get done, but it's time to get them out. And then it's going to be my turn to go ahead and dry them and the dehydrator, but I'll go through all that when the time comes. Usually what we do is we grind them up in the Cuisinart food processor. Ours is actually a Breville. And then we go ahead and put them in one of our many Excaliburs to dry them out. Once they're dry, and then we make a powder out of them. Then we're set for a year. All right, you guys, I better get to work because as you can see, Kevin is working away and I'm just here talking. All right, bye-bye, you guys. everybody. I'm here with an update on July 18, 2022 from yesterday's video that I was starting to record when Kevin and I were on the mission of harvesting shallots and garlic. So we did get a lot of the garlic. Shallots didn't look too great, but the garlic's now picked. But now we have to do something with it. So my mission this afternoon is about 2 o'clock, is to shorten the stalks on them some and put them on racks here in the work area attached to the coop. And we're going to let them dry out for a bit before we end up processing them to go ahead and dry them in the dehydrators. So I'll just kind of walk around as I'm talking and tell you what I'm going to do. Then I'll put you on the time-lapse video. And of course, guess who's here? It's Timmy crawling up my leg. Okay, Timmy, you got to come down. You can help in a minute, sweetheart. That boy. All right, so let's turn around here. So here's Timmy, and here's all the garlic. So we brought it down from up front. There's a lot of it here, but we have to let it dry out. So what I'm going to do is take them one by one, bring them over to our work table, and shorten these so they'll fit on the shelves. We'll do our length. Thank you, Timmy. We do a length that is about my arm's length from my fingertips all the way to my elbow, and that should do the trick. So I got out these, and it worked great for trimming the end of it here. So I'm going to go along and do that, and I'll put the time lapse on. Then let me show you where they're going actually while we're together here. Then I'll bring them around the corner. And these are the shelves that we use when we're starting seeds, also drying the onions. So it's kind of multi-purpose. So if you look, they'll fit very nicely. Maybe I'll show you a little bit down over here. Shows it a little better. And this way they can get good air circulation. Kevin will put the fan on. They'll dry out nicely. And then they'll be ready for their next stage. So I have these shelves all the way down here, and in case I run out of room, we'll zoom around the corner. There's even more shelves over here. So I think I should have plenty of room. All right, well, I better get going because it's 2 o'clock and I'm supposed to start cooking dinner at 4. I think it's pizza night tonight. And I will go ahead and put on that time lapse and we'll see how much we get done. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Done for the afternoon and getting close to making the pizza time. All right, Timmy, where'd you go? Oh my God, he's trying to push the camera. Okay, so what I'm going to do is stop for now. I'll show you how far we've gotten. I'll turn around. We only have, oh, here's Timmy. There you go. Big stretches. 1, 2, 3. So really 2.5 of the big bins to do. So I'll get up early in the morning before it's too hot. It's going to be in the 90s and get that done. But we do have a lot of the shelves, as you can see. Let's see if I can get the camera up there okay for you. I got top one, then down, down. So there's 4 per rolling cart. Probably shouldn't go that fast with the wiggle. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little more of these carts full. So I'll probably at least go the end of this row and then around the corner. And I'll tie in with you tomorrow and let you know how our project's coming along here. And I'm sure that Timmy will be right with us and giving help. You fixing your face and everything, woman? Oh, you're such a good boy. All right, you guys. Take care, and thanks a lot for staying in tune with us. And if you are happy with all this, then give us a thumbs up. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.